Okay, we are given a problem over here from the quadratic equations. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters squared. The length of the rectangular plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. Find the length and breadth of the plot. So we are given a rectangular plot whose area is 528 meters squared. It's given in the problem. Length and width is not given, that we need to find out, but one condition is given over here, that the length of the rectangular plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So first of all, we can assume that let the breadth of the rectangular plot be x meters. So I have assumed over here that breadth of the rectangular plot is x. So according to the given problem, length will become 2x plus 1. Why? Because it says length is twice 1 more than twice its breadth. That is, 1 more than means we will add 1 more than twice its breadth. Okay, so length will become 2x plus 1. Now we know that area of rectangle is length times width. So we are going to plug in this equation, we will plug in area, length and breadth in terms of x. So area is 528, length is 2x plus 1, breadth is x. So we have plugged in over here length and width. Area is 528. Now multiply this x inside the bracket, you will get 2x squared plus x. Then after that we can switch 528 to right hand side. This is positive number. So after switching 528 to right, it will become, this thing will become 0 left hand side. We will get 2x squared plus x minus 528. Now flip, we can flip everything like LHS to RHS and RHS to LHS. So we don't need to change any sign over here in this case. After that, how do we factorize this thing? We multiply the extreme to these two numbers. So I have done the calculation over here, which will give you 1056 x squared negative, because one of the numbers is negative over here, that is 528 is negative. So after multiplication we'll get 1056 x squared negative. Now we need to split it in such a way that after adding or subtracting we should get plus x over here, plus 1x over here. So after the calculation I found out like it should be 33 and 32. 33 and 32, when you will multiply 33 and 32 you will get 1056 x squared. One of them should be negative because we need this number should come negative, so it is only possible if one of these two is negative. So we will consider 32 as negative because 33x minus 32x will be 1x, that is required over here. So now we will, instead of x, we will write over here 2x squared plus 33x minus 32x, then minus 528 equals 0. Okay, then after this we can take, or we can factor out x from here. So we will get, if you will remove x you will get 2x plus 33. Then from here we can write, we can take 16. Why? Because we need 2x over here, these two should be the same. So it will be 2x plus, then what should we write over here? If you will factor out 16 it will be 33. So you can check here, 16 times 32 equals 528. Okay, so now we have you can see these two things are common over here, so we can write 2x plus 33 and x minus 16 equals 0. So we can write one by one. Okay, let's say 2x plus 33 equals 0. So in this case 2x plus 2x will be equal to negative 33, x equals negative 33 over 2. This is not possible. Why? Because length cannot be in negative. Okay, so we will not consider this value. Now let's say the second option is x minus 16 equals 0. So x equals 16. Okay, so we have calculated or solved x. Now the question was to find length and width. So we are going to plug in over here. X will be, means the breadth will be 16 meters and length will be this thing 2x plus 1. So we can plug in over here 2x plus 1 means 2 times 16 plus 1. So 2 times 16 is 32 plus 1, that is 33 meters. So length is 33 meters and width is 16 meters. So this is how we solve any quadratic problems. Okay, I'll be solving more problems. This is one of them. How we will solve this is just like an introductory problem. Okay, thank you.